The expression of the face balks account. But the expression of a well-made person appears not only in their face. It is in their limbs and joints also. It is curiously in the joints of their hips and wrists. It is in their walk, the carriage of their neck, the flex of their waist and knees. Dress does not hide them. The strong, sweet quality they have strikes through the cotton and broadcloth. To see them pass conveys as much as the best poem. Perhaps more.